Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Android phone aesthetic. Hi, I'm Yasmina. Let's make our phone's aesthetic. So this is the before of my phone. It is just the Huawei Y6S, and now I'm gonna make it aesthetic. So the first step is actually to put a phone case on your phone. I think phone cases really shape your phone and give it a whole new theme, and you can just pick whichever one you like and suits your personality. Speaking of theme, you have to now pick a theme. The theme has to match your personality and your style, but also your phone case so that they go hand in hand together. I use Pinterest and just scroll over, type in aesthetic pictures. You'll find a lot of different pictures that show up. You just can find either ones that are already made wallpapers and you can put them. You can either pick a very simple one for your phone as your wallpaper, or you can make one yourself by just gathering pictures and putting it together, which is what I did. So what I did to make my own background was just I downloaded a bunch of pictures off of Pinterest and I picked them out, selected them. You can only select 10, so I arranged those 10 first and then saved it, and then got that picture and added another 10 so that I could, you know, fill it out, and then I just kept messing with them, arranging them in different sizes and stuff like that, and putting them in the places that I felt were right. Stay tuned till the end to see the end result of this one and many others. So I ended up deciding on putting the purple one, which I made as my background, and you can just see me picking it out. And this is what my lock screen and home screen look like. Next up is fonts. I'm going to be picking one that I've already pre-downloaded. You can scroll and download different ones, or you can just use the default one. It doesn't really matter, it's up to you. So I just had this one downloaded from a while ago, so I'm going to be using that one. Step 5 is app organization. You can organize your apps however you like them. You can do them in the RGB form, like what's on the screen right now, or you can do it functionality based, or you can put them all in folders. It's really up to you. I personally like to make it really functional and accessible, so I tend to put them depending on the category they are in. Next up is step 6. It is something very extra and a very small detail, but I personally really like to make a screen signature where you basically just write anything you really want and it will appear when you turn on your phone and open your lock screen basically. And I decided to write "You are amazing" because every one of you watching, you are amazing. And this is just how it turned out. Next are screen transitions, and they are also one of the small details, but if you like them you can do them. There are a lot of different options, but personally I just like to keep it default and very simple. And the last step of making your phone aesthetic is adding widgets. So I don't have specific apps to make widgets. I just go into the widgets at the bottom of the screen and pick gallery, and I press add photo or add image, whatever you have it on your phone, and you can add your images, and then you can make them larger or smaller, and you can arrange them and arrange your apps around them. They really are a little pop of a little something something. And these are just the widgets I decided to do. They match along with the theme that I have, which is the purple theme. And this is what the widgets turned out looking like. Now I'm just going to organize them and you'll see the final reveal right now. And as promised, here are some inspirations. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!